got a lot going on this weekend. Starting with tonight, we have the meet in Somerville, so I'm going to try to get a little bit of that going on. I saw a video on it. Looked really cool last time. I did not make it last time, though. Tomorrow we have the meet for Officer Chesna, who was killed. So that's kind of a sad thing, but, you know, it's going to be donating, and hopefully everyone does too, so hopefully everyone goes out to that. And then on Sunday we have Quick Cars Roundup, which will be cool. I'm hoping to bring home my first trophy with this thing. Unless something else cooler shows up, which might happen, but I think I got a good chance, so I guess we'll find out. So I cleaned the car up pretty good, did some wax, did some VSS from Chemical Guys, hit it with some McGuire's compound. I really want this car to just be immaculate on Sunday. It'll definitely make all my hard work totally worth it. Besides the fact is that I completely love the car, but if I was to win a trophy on Sunday, it would just be amazing. So we got kicked out. Sick. Yo, look at this dude driving a McLaren. Say hi. Oh, hello. Twin jerseys. It's filthy.
Wow, that's crazy. I don't. Like, just buy one. Only riding on Sundays. Like, okay, I'll ride it every day.
Going out to Burnouts for Vets with your boy. With your boy. Yo, Mr. 305, say what's up.
How we doing?
We got Ty Royal, Smoochie Wallace right here. Let's get this.